Hop into the 2024 Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Take a closer look at this sporty and super efficient RAV4 Hybrid. This small SUV packs an amazing list of features like all-wheel drive, the latest in driver assistance and safety tech, specialized hybrid gauges to help you monitor energy, and a refined and flexible interior, all wrapped in a sleek, modern package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, power driver seat, alarm, aluminum wheels, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Innovative efficiency meets refined sophistication in this striking RAV4 Hybrid. Come and see for yourself when you take it for a spin. Our professional staff will make your test drive the best part of your day.